Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal University School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 7. Today's topic is exercise 5.1, question number 22 and question number 23 we will solve. Okay, our lecture number is 13 and your homework number is 9 for the half yearly examination. My dear students, we will solve inshallah question number 22 and question number 23. First of all, we will solve question number 23 from your exercise book, from your exercise 5.1. okay, 23 is, we need to simplify this one. Twice x plus 5y plus thrice z whole square plus 5y plus thrice z minus x whole square minus 2 into 5y plus thrice z minus x into twice x plus 5y plus 3. We will solve this with the help of our formula. Okay, now write it down to solve it. It's question number 23. Okay, question number 23, the given expression is that one. It's twice x plus 5y plus thrice z whole square plus 5y plus thrice z minus x whole square minus 2 into 5y plus thrice z minus x into twice x plus 5y plus thrice z. This one is our given expression. We have to solve this one. Okay, we have to simplify this one. We will take help from our formula. Okay, to create this formula, look, we can assume this one as a, that means twice x plus 5y plus thrice z as a. Okay, we can assume 5y plus thrice z minus x as b. Then we will get a square plus b square and minus 2b a. Okay, first of all, let twice x plus 5y plus thrice z, that's one equal to a, and another one is 5y plus thrice z minus x, that's one equal to b. We can assume. Now the expression becomes, what? This one we assume already as a, so we can write down in this place of twice x plus 5y plus 3z, we can write down a in the place of this one. Okay, and the square sign we have, so a is square. After that plus sign, then 5y plus thrice z plus minus x equal to b we assume already, so we can write down b in the place of this one, and we have the square of this, so b square minus sign. Okay, 2 multiplication with 5y plus thrice z minus x equal to b, so you can write down b multiplication with twice x plus 5y plus thrice z equal to a, we already assume, so you can write down this one is a. So we find out the expression is now a square plus b square minus 2 into b into a. Now my dear students, we can arrange this one, and we can form the formula. The formula we know, the a square plus twice ab plus b square, or a square minus twice ab plus b square, that means twice ab need to write down in the middle. So a square minus sign 2 into b into a, when you multiply you will get twice ab and minus sign, so minus twice ab, and this plus b square and later plus b square, we arrange this only. Okay, we get a square minus twice ab plus b square, and we know that the formula of a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. The formula is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square, so we can write down a square minus twice ab plus b square equal to a minus b whole square. Now my dear students, we will put the value of a and b in this place. We will put the value of a and b. The value of a is what? The value of a is this one. We write down this one, twice x plus 5y plus thrice z in the place of a. Okay, minus sign, minus in the place of b we write down this one. The value of b is 5y plus thrice z minus x. Okay, now we have a square in the both of a minus b, so we will use the second bracket and we will write down the square in the top of this bracket. Now we need to omit the first bracket first. We need to omit the first bracket first. To omit the first bracket, look, second bracket will be remain same. First bracket we are omitting. Now twice x plus 5y plus thrice z will remain here. Now in the second first bracket we have minus sign before that. So in between the first bracket, all the term will exchange their signs. Now 5y will take minus sign, thrice z will take minus sign, and my dear students, x will take plus sign. Okay, and second bracket will have a square also. Now it's a simple calculation. The 5y has plus sign, 5y has minus sign, so these two will be omitted, and thrice z has plus sign, thrice z has minus sign, so these two also be omitted. We have only twice x plus x. Twice x plus x equal to how much? Twice x plus x equal to thrice x. Okay, and we have a second bracket, we have the square sign in top of the bracket. Now my dear students, we have thrice x square. This means 3 has the square sign, x has also the square sign. When we write down 3 square equal to 9 and x square equal to x square. So we'll find out 3x whole square equal to 9x square. So our simplified result is 9x square of this expression. Okay, so 23's result is 9x square. This is our required answer. Now my dear students, I am going to solve question number 22. To solve question number 22, we can write down the right side. Okay, so in the right side, I am going to erase this one because I am going to write down here question number 22 in the right side. Okay, I think I can finish this one in this place. Question number 22 is, okay, this one we can write down here. It's twice x plus 5y plus thrice z here. Okay, now my dear students, it's 22. We need to simplify again. Look, we need to simplify 3ab minus cd whole square plus 9 into cd minus ab whole square plus 6 into thrice ab minus cd into cd minus ab. First of all, we need to write down this expression. The given expression is what? It's 3ab minus cd whole square plus 9 into cd minus ab whole square plus 6 into 3ab minus cd then into cd minus ab. Okay, this is our given expression. Now my dear students, we will solve this with the help of, by taking the help of the formula. Our formula is a square plus b square plus twice ab, or we can write down a square plus twice ab plus b square, or a square minus twice ab plus b square. This is our formula. So we need to convert this into the square terms and twice ab term. Now my dear students, this can be assumed as a square, but this is not can be as b square because this cd minus ab has the square sign, but this 9 has no square sign. We need to put it down in the square terms. Now, so that to do that, we will break that number. Now 3ab minus cd has a square sign plus 9 is a square number. 9 is a square number and 9 square root number is 3. So we can write down 3 square here. 3 square means 9. 3 square equal to 9. And it's cd minus ab whole square plus, now my dear students, in the formula we have a square plus twice ab plus b square. That means we need twice ab. We need twice ab, no need this 6. That means we need to break this number also. If we break this number, we can write down 2 into 3. We can write down 2 into 3 because 2 into 3 equal to 6. Okay, and it's 3ab minus cd into cd minus ab remain unchanged. Now dear students, we need to create the formula now. How we can create the formula is 3ab minus cd whole square plus this 3 into CD minus AB both has a square, so we can write down as like this within the second bracket 3 into CD minus AB whole square. This means that this 3 has a square sign and CD minus AB also has the square sign. Okay, after that we can write down, look, we already created this one, we can assume as A, this one can assume as B, so we can write down A square B square, and we need 2i's AB. 2A means 3AB minus CD, so 3AB minus CD need to write down in front, 3AB minus CD. And my dear students, we need also 3 into CD minus AB. We had 3 into CD minus AB. We can write down here 3 into CD minus AB. I hope you have understood, my dear students. Now we will assume our A and our B, but dear students, in the expression already A and B, the letter A and B is present, so we can't assume A and B again. That is why we can assume X, Y, we can assume P, Q, any letter, but we can't assume A and B. Okay, we can't let A and B. So now we can write down, let this one is thrice AB minus CD is equal to X. Suppose this one is X, okay, and it's 3 into CD minus AB, that's equal to Y. We can assume this one as X and Y because already A and B is present here in these expressions. That is why we can't assume A or B. Now my dear students, we can get the expression as what? Now the expression becomes, what? It's, we already assume this one is as X, so X is square, it will be X, the thrice AB minus CD's value is X, so X has a square sign. Now plus sign, also 3 into CD minus AB, we assume this one as Y, and this has a square sign, so it will be square, plus sign 2, now 3 into 3AB minus CD we assume as X, so we can write down X here. Okay, and my dear students, it's 3 into CD minus AB we assume as Y, so we can write down as Y. Now we'll rearrange the formula. The formula is X square, the twice XY. When we multiply this one, we get twice XY. So twice XY we need to write down in the middle because twice AB arise in the middle, okay, in the formula. Now we can write down Y square. My dear students, if we write down as this one X square plus twice XY plus Y square, we can write down this as formula X plus Y whole square. We can write down this one as X plus Y whole square. How? Look, we know the formula A plus B whole square, that's equal to what? That's equal to A square plus twice AB plus B square. That means we can write down A square plus twice B plus B square equal to A plus B whole square. In the place of A we have X here, in the place of B we have Y here. That is why you can write down in the place of X we can write down, in the place of A we can write down X, in the place of B we can write down Y. Okay, that means this is our A square plus twice AB plus B square. We will write down A plus B whole square, that means X plus Y whole square. I hope you have understood. Now we will put the value of X and Y here. We will put the value of X and Y here. Okay, if we put the value of X and Y here, we will get how much? Look, the value of X is what? The value of X is thrice AB minus CD. Okay, this is the value of X, plus sign it's Y. The value of Y is 3 into CD minus AB, and this 2 has the square sign in the top, so we will use the second bracket and we will write down the square at the top of the bracket. Now my dear students, we will omit the first bracket in between the second bracket. Okay, we need to omit the first brackets. To omit the first bracket, look, second bracket remain unchanged, the first bracket omitted, that means thrice AB minus CD will remain here, and this is plus sign, so the sign in the bracket will not exchange their position. So it's plus sign, that means the terms will not exchange their sign. It's 3 is multiplied with CD, 3 is multiplied with CD, so it will be 3CD. Okay, and my dear students, this 3 is also multiplied with minus AB. Minus AB plus 3B when we multiply, minus AB with plus 3 will get minus thrice AB. Okay, now dear students, we will get how much? We have the second bracket and we have the square also. Now it's thrice AB and minus thrice AB. My dear students, thrice AB and minus thrice AB will be omitted, and we have thrice CD minus CD. From thrice CD, if we subtract CD, we will get 2CD. Okay, and we have the square on the top of this bracket. Now dear students, this 2CD whole square, this means 2 has the square, C has the square, and D has the square. That means we can write down 2 square equal to 4, C square equal to C square, and D square equal to D square. This is our required result, my dear students. I hope you have understood how to solve. Okay. Now my dear students, you have a homework and your homework number is 9. I have write down here with the red color, it's HW number 9. Please mention the HW number in your HW copy. Okay, to do the HW you need to solve the question number 17 and question number 24 from your book exercise 5.1. that means in exercise 5.1 you need to solve 2 questions, 17 and 24, my dear students. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. See you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.